Hello everyone, welcome back to Meg's Inspirational Corner. Today we are going to make a very simple fried rice. For this recipe, you will need some cooked rice, sausages, bell peppers, soy sauce, Worcester sauce, oyster sauce, a blended mixture of onions, ginger and garlic. First, heat your wok or cooking pan. This step is optional, but I like to grease my pan with a bit of butter for taste. Add a bit of any cooking oil of your choice. Add your blended mixture and stir for about 3 minutes. At this stage, add your sausages and stir until golden brown. Add your bell peppers and stir all together for a few minutes. It's now time to add in your cooked rice. I prefer to do this bit by bit while stirring continuously. Mix together the soy sauce, Worcester sauce, and oyster sauce with a dash of honey, then pour it onto your rice and mix.